Fieldata was a pioneering computer project run by the U.S. Army Signal Corps in the late 1950s that intended to create a single standard for collecting and distributing battlefield information. In this respect, it could be thought of as a generalization of the U.S. Air Force's SAGE system that was being created at about the same time. Unlike SAGE, Fieldata was intended to be much larger in scope, allowing information to be gathered from any number of sources and forms. Much of the Fieldata system was the specifications for the format the data would take, leading to a character set that would be a huge influence on ASCII a few years later. Fieldata also specified the message formats and even the electrical standards for connecting Fieldata-standard machines together. Another part of the Fieldata project was the design and construction of computers at several different scales, from data input terminals at one end, to theater-wide data processing centers at the other. Several Fieldata-standard computers were built during the lifetime of the project, including the transportable Mobidic from Sylvania, and the BASICPIC and LogicPIC from Philco. Another system, ARTOC, was intended to provide graphical output, but was never completed. Because Fieldata did not specify codes for interconnection and data transmission control, different systems used different control functions. Intercommunication between them was difficult. Fieldata is the original character set used internally in UNIV computers of the 1100 series, represented by the 6th of the 36-bit word of that computer. The direct successor to the UNIV 1100 is the Unisys 2200 series computers, which use Fieldata to this day. Because some of the Fieldata characters are not represented in ASCII, the Unisys 2200 uses #, double quotation mark and underscore characters for codes 04, 076 and 077 respectively. The Fieldata project ran from 1956 until it was stopped during a reorganization in 1962. Fieldata characters. References: Charles E. Mackenzie. Coded Character Sets, History and Development. Addison Wesley. ISBN 0-201-14460-3. Article by W. F. Labert, 1960. Access September 25, 2008.